Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. As you can see, I just scraped a bloom that I didn't care for, so I'm going to do a new one. I just put some of the paint back on, mixed it up. I'm going to add some more white. This is Glidden Premium. Save some of the paint anyway, didn't waste it. Okay. And all will be fine. The base gets covered up. Okay, so I'll go over my colors. First one that I'm going to put down is Jadeette, DecoArt Jadeette, and some DecoArt Citron Green. It's a pretty green. I'm going to thin it down a little more. I use varnish and water to thin. All right, so there's that. Next one is Magenta, Quinacridone Magenta by Liquitex Basics. The next one is going to be a dark purple. It's Basics Dioxazine Purple and Winsor & Newton Winsor Violet mixed together. Make this pretty dark purple color. Then I've got a lighter magenta, so I've got Baby Pink DecoArt mixed in with the Basics magenta. And now I have some Brilliant Green by Amsterdam mixed with a little bit of the Jadeette just to give it some well, it's extreme sheen also. Just to match up the colors. I got my Oxide Black Cell Activator. Use my mini blower. Wow, that's much better than my last one. My last one had an older cell activator I was using that didn't work out that great. This side is better than the other side. Look at those cells. Some peacock cells, they call them, with colors inside, 2 colors in the cell. So pink in there and a green. This one's got some purple and magenta. And there's none there. That's okay. I'm going to do another one. A lot of air bubbles in my paints because I just mixed them. Just poke it. See if I can tip it. It's a little bit stuck right there. All right. Let's give it a spin. This is so pretty. It's actually 3 colors. Not a fan of this side. It's all in how you blow it too. Middle is so pretty. Well, I think I'll leave it. The more I spin it, the more they'll spread out. So let's see if I can get rid of some of that plain. There, I like that better. Okay, let's do another one. See if I can get some of these white ones gone. Okay, I'm going to leave this one. I'm gonna get another one. Okay, I'm ready to do number 2. I have some of my runoff paint that I mixed together, so I'll pour that on too. Try and save a bit of paint. I'll add some more white. Okay, I think I'm just gonna do the same color combination I did the first one in, just to see the difference. So this is the Jadeite, quinacridone magenta, the 2 purples, the lighter magenta, and the green. Cell activator. There, that's much better. I tried to push the cell activator on an angle more. It seemed to be a little better. It's hard to get it the same every time. But some days you have it and some days you don't. And that's a lot better than the one I just scraped. I had a lot of white cells the last time. It's pretty. Just poking a couple of the white air bubbles. This one is more balanced than the first one I did. Let's wait for the middle to settle a little more. I want it to come back level in the middle. Since I just stirred my paints a lot, I'm getting these air bubbles. Give it a spin. Colors are really pretty together. I can't see much. Oh, there's the purple there. A lot of air bubbles. So if you're new to my channel, hit the bell. You'll be notified when I do a new video. Please subscribe. Comment below. Give me a thumbs up. It all helps my channel grow. And I have a discount code for the Sheleeart bloom technique for a tutorial on how to do it. 15% discount. Hit the title of my video and you'll get a drop down. There. It's pretty. I wish these would spread out a bit more. It's amazing how different these cells are. Some are big, some are little. Okay, I think I'm going to leave it. These colors would look good in a swipe too. Thanks for watching. There you go. Have a great day, everybody. Dried result will be at the end. Yes, if I can show you both together. There. There you go. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. Here's my dried tiles. They're drying really well. They're pretty much dry. It's been one day. Really pretty. There you go. Thanks for watching.